Hello everybody, today we will continue our lessons for SQL Training for Beginners. Let's start. Lesson 22 SQL left join keyword. The left join keyword returns all records from the left table, table 1, and the matched records from the right table, table 2. The result is null from the right side if there is no match. Left join syntax: select column name from table 1, left join table 2 on table 1 dot column name equal table 2 dot column name. So right and left, don't forget for this. Here is table 1 and table 2 is the left join and the match between table 1 and table 2. Below is a selection from the customer's tables: customer ID, customer name, contact name, address, city, postal code, country, and a selection from the orders table, which contains order ID, customer ID, employee ID, order date, shipper ID. SQL left join example: select customers dot customer name, order dot order ID from from customers, left join orders on customers dot customer ID equal orders dot customer ID, order by customers dot customer name. Great. So result here is number of records 213. Note: the left join keyword returns all records from the left table customers even if there are no matches in the right table orders. So for this lesson everything is clear. Don't forget to practice, too much practice and exercise. Don't forget to click the bell and subscribe to get our new lesson. Thank you. Bye.